Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you as we dive into the world of the highly anticipated Surface Pro 9 by Microsoft. If you're in search of the ultimate hybrid laptop-tablet experience, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with the design and build quality of the Surface Pro 9. Microsoft has always excelled in this department, and the Surface Pro 9 is no exception. It features a sleek and premium magnesium alloy build that feels solid and durable. The iconic kickstand is back, allowing you to easily adjust the viewing angle for a comfortable experience whether you're typing, watching movies, or sketching. The Surface Pro 9 boasts a stunning 13.5-inch PixelSense display with a resolution. The colors are vibrant, and the clarity is excellent, making it a joy to consume multimedia content or work on creative projects. The touchscreen is responsive and supports the Surface Pen, which is sold separately. The Surface Pen offers a natural writing and drawing experience, perfect for note-taking, sketching, or editing documents. Under the hood, the Surface Pro 9 packs a punch. It comes equipped with Intel's latest processors, providing impressive performance for both everyday tasks and demanding applications. Whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or running complex software, the Surface Pro 9 can handle it with ease. Additionally, the device offers ample storage options and RAM configurations to suit your needs. One of the standout features of the Surface Pro 9 is its versatility. It seamlessly transitions between a laptop and a tablet, allowing you to adapt to any task or environment. Detach the type cover, and you have a lightweight and portable tablet for on-the-go use. Attach the type cover, and you have a full-fledged laptop experience. The type cover, by the way, offers a comfortable typing experience and is available in various colors. When it comes to battery life, the Surface Pro 9 performs admirably. With moderate use, you can expect to get through a full day of work or play without needing to recharge. Microsoft has also included a range of connectivity options, including USB-C, USB-A, and a headphone jack, ensuring that you can connect your peripherals without any hassle. And there you have it, the Surface Pro 9 review. Microsoft has once again delivered a fantastic device that combines the best of a laptop and a tablet. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and versatile form factor, the Surface Pro 9 is a powerhouse for productivity and creativity. If you're in the market for a hybrid device, we highly recommend checking it out. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on the Surface Pro 9. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.